Alright, making this video, everybody does spark plug removal for the NSX and only shows the front bank, and it's super easy, accessible, not a big deal. If you want the tutorial, go watch one of those. However, when you get to the rear bank, nobody shows you how much of a pain it is. They just say, oh, it's going to take some more time. Now, I have a carbing bar. This is a little bit bigger than the stock one. That also plays a factor. I have been able to get to that coil pack before with the stock bar, but if you have bigger hands, or you're just a bigger person or whatever, or just not Japanese sized, that's going to be a problem to get under there. So to save everybody some time, like I wanted to do, is you'll want to take the bar off. Now this is pretty easy. You can find all the removal stuff online. You really only have to do this shroud here, and this comes off through some screws in the trunk up here, but the overall time saved is well worth it. See, we put the bar in the trunk, and now there is so much more room for activities. We've already got the coil pack completely undone over here, and then we can work on the plugs. There's so much more space, and that's what they don't show you. So if you're going to do this job, do the fronts. It's super easy. It's right there. Everybody knows how. But the rear, if you have the bar, and this is also for a 91, so we only have the one bar that goes across. The other one I have a triangular bar. But just do yourself a favor and remove it to begin with. And yeah, good luck.